Microwave.
What are you doing?
The original pizza puff. Mmm. This is the first episode of Microwave Minutes. We've got two pizza puffs today. We've got the deluxe and the original. It's got 16 grams of protein, made with real cheese, 0 trans fat, real pork, mozzarella, home-style pizza sauce, and spices in a tortilla. I'm excited. Looks pretty easy. Looking a little icky. Just got it out of the freezer at the Noble Mini Mart, maybe half a block away. And the instructions are for microwaving is to remove all the packaging and using a microwave safe dish, cook in crisping sleeve. This is the crisping sleeve, I assume. Provided on high for 3 to 4 minutes if frozen. This is frozen, right? It doesn't really fit in the package or in the crisping sleeve. I wonder if it'll puff up. Let's hope it'll puff up. Here's the deluxe. I already threw their packaging out because I got excited. Put it right in the microwave. I think this is still a little frozen. Ooh, but it looks good. Look at that browning. It smells like a summer festival. I wonder if it'd be better deep fried. I think it would be. I think if it would have a nice even coating. We've only got one side. It looks like the side that it was sitting on got that nice color. I'm gonna break this one open. This is the deluxe. Oh, kind of like an ultimate tortilla. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, it's cooked. Looking real good. Oh, there's that sausage. Yum. Now, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be cheesy. This is the deluxe, so I would think that it would be good cheese pull, packed to the brim. It's kind of empty. There's not much meat in there. Too many layers. Too many tortilla layers. There's pieces of uncooked tortilla in here. I don't know. That golden tortilla, that's good. Nice and hot. A little salt, need some salt. But yeah, like I said, there's not a lot in here. No cheese at all. I'm pretty bummed about that. It is the deluxe, so it should be bigger and better than the original. You would think. But no, I see some caraway seeds in here. Not looking very good on the ends either. It looks like just all tortilla right here. It's just hard. Real hard. I'm not liking the deluxe. Not liking it. It's so dry. I need a dipping sauce. It's so dry. Gross. All right. Time for the original. I just put this one in the microwave. I put that one in before because I was so excited. It told me this side down, but there's like it melted my bowl. It's supposed to be a microwave safe. It's a melted. This says microwave safe dishwasher safe. I thought this could take it. I hope I'm not eating plastic. I'm gonna get rid of that. Watch out. My dog just tried to take me. Oh, this was burnt. She tried to take me out. She's trying to get at this pizza puff. You trying to get at this pizza puff right now? I know you want some. You're not getting any. It's not good for you. I'd rather give you your kibbles, more expensive and better tasting. This one's burnt. I don't know if it said on high, like high power for the microwave, and I don't know how to adjust the power, so I assumed that it was high enough. Oh my god, this is... Ouch! Ooh. This one looks more packed. More packed. All that. No golden this time. It's a little darker. A little darker on this guy. Let's go back to this deluxe. Try this. But better now. No, it's not. It's just as dry. And this has all been sanitized before. So I'm just going to eat off the counter. My dog and I will clean it up later. I'm going to put her on the counter and let her lick everything. It was a joke. Like, haha, funny. I think maybe I just had some cheese. Like I said, desert in my mouth. I've already eaten all the filling in the deluxe. This is the last bite that has any like real hearty filling. Oh, I'm standing this up so hopefully some of that heat escapes. Got some hand wrapped, not mechanically wrapped, or so they say. Real pork, mozzarella, pizza sauce, and spices. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this has got more cheese. And it looks... It does! Look at that! Fuck yeah. Oh. It's peeling away. It's peeling away. I'm excited for this one. This one looks a lot better. This is better than the deluxe. The deluxe was more expensive. And it said it had more in it. So, remember that one was made wrong? No. Okay. Because of the cheese, it kept the inside moist, right? It looks like it created a bigger pocket though. And it looks like this is, I'm gonna take away all the tortilla that doesn't have any meat or cheese in it. And it's all, I'll show you. All this on the top, nothing. This is where all the meat is, right here. Meat and cheese is all right here. Oh! Oh yeah. Way better. Way better. This has been the first episode of Microwave Minutes. I don't have a rating system yet. But the Pizza Puff original, it's dank. The deluxe Pizza Puff, not dank. Don't buy it. If you see it, don't buy it. Next episode, we'll do the pepperoni Pizza Puff, and we'll do the taco Pizza Puff. We'll see how dank that those are. But I'm gonna finish this now. Oh, it's hot!